Hello guys, it is me back with another video on FMG question, and today's topic is about the anatomy of axilla. So let us begin. As always, I have got a question for you. Posterior wall of axilla is formed by pectoralis minor, pectoralis major, subscapularis, or intercostal muscles. Pause and try to answer this question. Now, in order to answer this question, we need to first understand what is the axilla. So axilla is an anatomical region under the shoulder joint, okay, where the arm connects to the shoulder. It contains a variety of neurovascular structures like axillary artery, axillary vein, brachial plexus, and lymph nodes. As you can see in this diagram, the axilla is a pyramidal shaped space in the upper limb, and it contains the axillary artery and vein. It also contains the brachial plexus, and it also contains the this it is not it is not shown in this diagram, but it do contains the axillary lymph nodes. Okay, now there are five anatomical borders of the axilla: superior, inferior, lateral, middle, and the posterior. Okay, so let us see the borders of the axilla. So in total we have five borders: anterior, posterior, lateral, medial, and superior. Okay. So medial wall, this is the medial wall. As you can see in this diagram, the medial wall, it is formed by the serratus anterior and the thoracic wall. Okay. This is quite easy to understand, as the medial side of the arm contains thoracic wall and the serratus anterior muscle. Okay, so now coming to the lateral border, the lateral border of the axilla is formed by the humerus and its intertubercular sulcus. Okay, this is the lateral border of the axilla. Okay. Now coming to the anterior border. So anterior border is formed by the pectoralis major and the minor muscle, and also the clavipectoral fascia, which is not seen in this diagram. Okay. So anterior border is formed by three structures: pectoralis major and minor and the clavipectoral fascia. Okay. Now coming to the posterior border. So posterior border is formed by the scapularis muscle, teres major muscle, and the latissimus dorsi. Okay, fine. So I will repeat this once more. So medial body is formed by the serratus anterior and thoracic wall. Lateral body is formed by the humerus, shaft of the humerus, or the intertubercular sulcus. Anterior body is formed by the pectoralis major and pectoralis minor and the clavipectoral fascia, and the posterior body is formed by the scapularis, teres major, and the latissimus dorsi. Okay, and one more thing to note it is not shown in this diagram, but the superior wall of the axilla is formed by the clavicle, scapula, and the first rib. Okay, fine. Now it is very easy to understand that the posterior wall of the axilla is formed by the subscapularis muscle. Okay, guys. So that's it for today, and thank you for watching, and bye. And one more question. This is kind of a homework question for you guys. So anterior axillary fold is due to which muscle? So yeah, try to answer this question, because this question is very simple, guys. Okay. This is very simple. Anterior axillary fold is formed due to which muscle? Is it pectoralis major, pectoralis minor, subscapularis, or teres major? Okay. So give the answer of this question in the comment section, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Bye.